Okay, here I have the DORANA sterling silver hoop earrings. I have them in the 40 and the 50. So you can see the difference. This is the 40 and this is the 50, okay? Very nice. These hit that everyday, polished sweet spot, without being really gaudy. So lightweight, not flimsy, just enough weight to make you feel like you have something in your ears. I love the thin profile. I love the timeless hoop look that works with everything from jeans to dressy layers. Comfortable all day wear, even for those sensitive ears. No irritation and no drama. I like the way that the earring locks in your ear. It definitely is easy to get on, easy to get off, and stable. It's not going to fall off. I like the 40 millimeter and the 50 millimeter. They both add more presence without crossing the I'm trying too hard line. These look far much more expensive than they are. They are versatile and they earn a spot in my everyday rotation. I just love them. They are clean, they are classic, and they are reliable. Every jewelry drawer needs at least one pair of these. Honestly, you know what? Probably two. That's why I got them both. Highly, highly, highly recommend.